Si Peter.
Oh. Ano siya?
Abos na, pati yung mga tinapay.
Ay, tinapay meron pa
Ay,
naman.
meron pa pala eh. Eh, mga salad.
Meron pa konti. Maganda yung tono niya kasi nakakatuwa.
Shout of salvation. Ano ba yun? Mga Russian?
Yeah, Russian. Matigas yung mga salita. Akin ba to o sa'yo?
Akin yun. Di ba yun na nga yung iyo? Loko talaga.
Napapagano na ako, nagugutom na ako. Yung telepono ko. Ah. Wala na, tolero na talaga.
Ubus yung potato? Oh, ubus? Eh,
Yeah.
talaga.
Huwag
Sino
na
kumain?
sana.
Sino kumain? Konti na nga.
Huwag na sana. Oo, yun, sarap.
Ah, kumain tayo ngayon kasi ano.
Healthy to. Kaya nga eh, kumuha ako.
Pero may hamburger.
Walang hamba. Isa na lang natira. Oh, imagine.
Eh, paano kakainin nito? Isa dito.
Bala na sa matandaan ka.
Healthy. Kaya kumain tayo. Pala yung ano, garlic. Pang
Pero
paano?
ano, kaya tayong Asian, di ba ang Asian, basic sa kusina natin, di ba, bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, tsaka luya. Eh, yan yung mga number one antioxidant.
Yeah.
Di ba sila dito, ano lang, nilagang patatas, nilagang gulay, lalagyan lang ng salt and pepper. Tapos pritong piece of meat, and salt and pepper lang rin. Wala sa kanila yung mga marinate. Yun lang, di
Kasi
ba?
mga tamad. Yeah, meron namang ibang mahilig mag-cook.
May mga Dutch na ayaw ng food nila.
Ah, sinabi mo pa. 10 viewers, oh. Ayaw to sa 10 viewers.
Hello?
Tapos yung egg, sino kumuha? Wala pa.
Siguro sa ano. Kasi nung naglagay ako, tumuhayo siya. Kain tayo.
May nag-hard to, wala.
Lagay mo na sa'yo, hindi ako kilala. Of course, mag-join tayo. Charot lang yan.
Saan?
Sa Christmas party.
Ano lutuin natin?
Yeah.
Ha? Ano sa tingin mo?
Hello guys. Ito na naman po ang ating yung lakwachera. So ayan, while waiting for my bus, tignan nyo naman. Ayoko yan.
Bakit?
Laptop ko. The place, no.
Ubus na yung salad? Ano kakainin ni Peter?
Ewan ko. Hindi, meron naman makakain pa. What's on road?
Hindi naman yung kakain nun.
Hindi siya kumakain nun?
Ano mo, may healthy living, di ba? Kaya,
Eh, ba't yung ano niya kumain?
sino?
Isa.
Ano? Mukbang.
Thankful.
Hindi ko pa nalagyan ng
Thankful
hashtag.
with your grace. Ano yun?
Hello. I'll be for live. Hi. Hello. Hello. How are you today? I'll be for life. Where you from? Are you from? I'm fine. Where you from?
Naman kami ng
Let's
lunch
eat.
for today.
We are
Para
eating
sa aming
from
mga
America.
anak. So,
Wow.
ayan, ang dami nilang choices ng croissants. So,
Wow, hello!
thank you for
Hello
watching.
from America.
Please share and like and babushka! Hello guys! Ito na naman po ang ating yung lakwat.
We are eating. Let's eat.
Today, andito kami sa supermarket at
Let's eat
namimili ng
kimchi.
different kinds
With egg.
of croissant. So, ayan, kasi magpe-prepare na naman kami ng lunch for today.
With egg and
para
kimchi.
sa aming mga
Look.
alaga. Kaya,
Here.
so ayan, ang dami nilang choices ng croissant. So, thank you for watching. Please
Nakakahilo.
share and like and
Daming
babushka!
What country are you in?
Guys. Eto na naman
Philippines.
ang ating yung lakwatsyera. So, ayan, today,
I'm from the
dito kami
Philippines.
sa supermarket.
Ang daon sabi.
Here, talk to my
Talk to my manager.
talk to my manager. Oh, nice. Yes, nice.
What country are you in? Hello! Hello there. How's America? How's the life there?
Paano na kung ate?
It's cold there. Oh, don't worry. We have the same feeling. The feeling is mutual. Here is also cold. It's getting, I think, because, is it now officially winter time?
Yes.
Now in Netherland is also officially winter time. So, we feel that too. It's like the cold coming from the iceberg from Titanic. Were you in the Netherlands? In North Brabant. Under by Utrecht. Were you in America?
We live in Amsterdam.
In which state are you in? Wow, in New York. Oh, the city that never slept. The city that never slept.
Yep.
Slept? Sleep?
Ano ka nadulas?
Is it true? That saying?
New York.
I've never been in New York, but I wish someday. It's one in my bucket list. Have you been in Netherlands? Yeah. Yes, indeed.
Ay, pardon.
The city that never sleeps. Why is it, anyway? I'm just curious. Because of the... Is it because of the stock market? The main office? Are you Filipina? Or Filipino? Or which country originally? Are you really American or... Because we live in the Netherlands, but originally we are from Philippines. No, I'm American. Okay. Yeah, under which state? Because America is so big.
New York nga.
Oh, sorry. You already said it. New York. Yes. Yes, in New York.
Ulit.
My assistant is angry. You are Filipina beauties. Yes, thank you.
Of course, you are pretty. Char.
And we like rice. You see, we're eating rice in our lunch at the office. Some of our colleagues, they eat bread at lunchtime, but we used to eat rice. Mhean.
Yeah.
You talk to her na. Mag-check muna ako na ano ko.
I also like sometimes. Price is life. That's why. Ano mo yan? Tinitingnan mo. Price is life, you know. Here,
Ha?
in full. Are you single? We are not single.
Are you cooking egg?
We are
para
not
may
single
conversation.
anymore. We are double.
Single, double.
Single, double. Kare, who is that? Lulu. And how about you? Are you single or married? Are you married? Are you single? Ready to mingle. Single that ready to mingle. Mingle.
Hello, from the Netherlands. No,
Hello,
nagagaya ko na si Joy.
Ay, parang naiisip ko si... Ayan na nga! Ayan na nga! Ano ba yan? Ayos mo.
Paano ba nagagawa yun?
Ini-edit nga sa CapCut. Tinuturuan kita, hindi ka Dank je wel.
Dank je.
Heb je een doekje? Misschien ketchup.
Ah, ja, doekje.
Ja, dat is lekker. Dankjewel.
Of die?
Welke is denk je beter voor ketchup?
Ja,
Deze?
Ja, dat is pretty sick, maar...
Kan ook verkleren.
Ja.
Op jouw broek?
Ja.
Oh, ja. Ja. Misschien beter na het doekje met de ref.
Ja,
Met
dat-
de rep?
Ja, dat.
Deze?
Ja, nat maken.
Ja, de
En dan met de ref en dan, ja. Dat is goed voor, als ik papelin.
Nee, dat is geen papel. Dus
Mag ik vragen,
Ja.
ben jij een, want jij bent moslim, hè?
Ja.